Today we'll be making this retro Apple MP4 player in After Effects. It's pretty easy, so let's dive on in. First, to get these assets, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Now click the link that's in the description to get the download so you can follow along. For this example, I'm grabbing the PNG and dropping it on our timeline. We want to tank the quality of our clip and our image, so right click on the composition, and in the composition settings, make sure lock aspect ratio is unchecked. Then change the composition to 640 by 480. Hit OK. Everything is really zoomed in, but that's fine. On our MP4 player, click S for scale, and we're going to scale the PNG down to 29%. I feel like I can see some edges, so let's do 29.5. Yep. I'm also gonna add the mosaic effect and change both blocks to 500 apiece. That really waters down the quality, which I think gives a more authentic feel. Now we're gonna drop down the clip size as well. S for scale and P to change the position till it feels right. Now if you had my Pure Opium preset pack, you could drop on Camcorder 2, which I feel is really dreamy. I'm really in love with the aesthetic of it. Or you could completely flip the script and do something like Night Vision Opium or X-Ray. There is no limit to your creativity. You don't have to stick into the mold of an old VHS or camcordery look. Links in the description to get yours today. But without the presets, let's go for a cool early 2000 camcordery kind of look. So first we're gonna add CC time and turn on the native motion blur. Next we're gonna add the mosaic effect and change the blocks to 500 each. Now we add on fast box blur. Blur radius shall be 2 and iterations 4. Then we're gonna stack on sharp mask. For amount we go with 300 and radius 8. Then we're gonna add on a hue and saturation, and on master saturation we're just gonna bring down the saturation a bit. Next we're gonna add some green. Viewing mode, we switch that to final output, and we're just gonna use a preset for this one, Eastman XR 500T. Now you could stop here if you wanted to, but if you have the Sapphire plugin, which I highly recommend you do, we're gonna use STV damage, and here we will also be using a preset, Dodgy VHS, and load, and there you have it. Now we want to get rid of these ugly ass lines. Just head over to dropout details and drop out always to 0. Now in the free assets I gave out, there is also this little MP4 animation I made. Let me turn off the PNG and scale it down to 29%. It's just a simple play to start animation, but I think it's really cool. It's a couple of seconds long, so if you want it to last longer than this, just hit the Ctrl+Shift+D to cut and make a second layer. Right click on the second layer, go to time and hit freeze frame. Now you can make the effect last as long as you'd like. I think it allows you to be more creative in how you want to start the video. Hope this video helps. If you want more content like this, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.